Okay, we've just pulled up at Yarck, and at the moment it's just a little bit wet and miserable. There's a few other campers here. We're actually just on the oval, and Robin's making some nice lunch.
Yes, hopefully. Nice sandwich.
So they've got a nice tennis court over here. Well, maybe not nice, but they've got a tennis court. And what else we have here? That's about all, really.
Oh, we've got the toilets there.
Oh, yeah.
And the playground. We can go and play on the playground.
That seems like a bit of fun.
Yeah.
All right, I think we'll go and have some lunch.
Yeah.
Well, hi everyone. We're actually staying at Yarck at the moment.
Yes, at the recreation reserve.
Yep. Now, it's been quite a few years since we've been here because we used to belong to the Toyota Land Cruiser Club that used to have a property
down.
I think they still do.
Yes.
Which is down that way.
Yep.
So what we're having a look at the moment is the recreation reserve, which they've got a little playground, cooking facilities over there. Toilets. There's a few campers here at the moment. We're over here, and it's all looking pretty good, isn't it?
So this is generally open just for free camp. So that's great.
Yeah. So we're going to have a little look into town, which isn't really a lot.
No, there's not a lot there. But
I've heard there's a great bakery there, so we're going to check that out. All right.
Okay.
Here we go.
See ya.
Bye. Right, we're in town at the moment.
Yep.
And this is crazy because they've got actually three good coffee shops. There's one over there which is the Bucks Country Bakehouse.
Yep, which is next to the Yarck Community Hall, which looks pretty well preserved. There's something across the road which is an artwork and gifts, and also a cafe.
And then further down the road is
which we'll have a look.
Is another bakery which we'll have a look at in a moment.
When we go past, yeah. All right, so.
And we've also got the Yarck Hotel.
Yep, which must be pretty popular at times.
Yeah. And what else did they have?
They had they've got the CFA here, right in town. They've got the
bookshop.
Yeah, a little bookshop, believe it or not, here. Across the road, they've got a church. So there's a nice church here. Very well kept too. Everything's quite neat. And as I said, there's three cafe places.
And there's another cafe across the road which we'll go over and have a little look.
Bakery that we've heard about, and we did actually stop in one time on the way through and got something from there.
I think we did.
I think we did.
Yes, I think we did.
So we'll have a look at that. So
we'll cross the road and hopefully we won't get killed in the process.
Yeah, it is Maroondah Highway.
Yes, not a bad little hotel. Unfortunately closed at the moment. So yes, this is the outside of the Yarck Hotel, and looks like they had the grand final happening here. They've got a great little outdoor area. How cool. Oh, a little rotisserie over here, I'm thinking. Yeah, very cool. What have you found, Robin?
Oh, just a menu.
Anything nice on the menu?
Somebody's left a chicken nugget up there. Oh yeah, well they've got American spare ribs, panko crumbed chicken schnitzel, spaghetti carbonara, Yarck risotto, Irish stew, pumpkin gnocchi. Yeah.
Sounds pretty good. Might have to come back here, I think. All right, let's go. And this is the other cafe. Also, this looks pretty cool.
Outdoor city area.
actually sit here and just watch the world go by. Oh, they've got a lot of good stuff there too. Now, just across the road from the Yarck Hotel is this memorial. So,
for the First World War, all the people of sort of the surrounding areas, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 surrounding little areas with all their names on here for the First World War. And again, the sad thing is, there's a lot of names that are, you know, doubled up, or even with 3 family members of the same families, and obviously either, if not brothers, you know, uncles. It's just terrible when you think how many out of one family have gone as well. Very sad. This is just a little monument or whatever to the fact that Hume and Hovell passed here December the 3rd, 1824. So that's just acknowledging that they came through this area on their discovery tours. So we've come to this Dindy Naturals. It's a cafe, artwork and skincare. So various products obviously maybe made here, not sure.
oh look, there's a nice little pelican over there.
Look at the fish in his tummy.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah.
Oh, bathtub.
We'll just open up the door. Well, there's certainly a lot of flowers here.
All the way, individual ones here, and then topsons over here. And sweet pies too. That was strudel. Oh, spiced up with strudel.
Oh, very good stuff.
And I've got a lamb and mint pie, and Peter's got a duck and orange pie.
Sounds good.
Yes.
We've just left the shops and we're heading back to Yarck Reserve. Gosh, can't believe the amount of cars here. A lot of people use this reserve, that's for sure. Time to head back to the caravan, so we'll just go past the toilets and there we are.
Now it doesn't want to come over.
Robin's trying to feed a horse. We've got some beautiful carrots here. Unfortunately, not going to happen.
Come on. Come on. Should have got there when I was going to. Yeah. Oops. Go on, grab it.
Obviously not a good look.
There you go, good boy. I'm going to give one to the horse though.
So what are you going to do, Robin?
I've got some carrots here that I don't want. I wanted to give some to the horse, but the horse isn't here, so I've got to give it to the little calf. So you got it?
But that's not a horse.
But he likes it. He likes it anyway. He's chewing away and thinking it's great. I hope it doesn't make him have diarrhea or anything. He ate it, so I guess he likes it.
Now here's Robin.
Right, I've got another carrot.
And this is a horse.
Wait, you wait. And the little calf's coming up too, look.
And the calf wanted some
come back
too.
Here. Grab hold of it. Oh, I'm sorry. That's better. Might have to get rid of that that comment then. Up here.
Hello, little fella.
You got enough tea?
And there's the poor little calf
He
here.
came because he knew I had some, but
Oh, poor little calf. You just wanted some tea,
had
didn't you?
about 3. Hey? You didn't, because you didn't come over. And there's some there. Can you get it? Oh, you stupid thing. Wait until you finish what you's in your mouth.
Honestly, this was too good not to film. See you later, little fella.
Give him a pat.
Yeah. See ya.
Okay, you're all right. You've had yours, and you've
Well, we have to say goodbye to this great place.
Yes. So nice and sunny now, and
So
warm.
we've had a lovely time here at Yarck.
Yes, and we had a lovely time for the whole time away.
Yep. It's just a pity we've got to say goodbye because we really don't want to head back to Melbourne.
Not really. I mean, stuff has to be done, I guess, so we've got to get back.
Got to do what we've got to
Life
do.
goes on with other things.
Okay, so we'll sign off on this one.
Yep.
So from Robin.
And Peter.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that we can continue making some of these weird videos.
We hope you enjoy a bit at least.
Yep. Anyway, thanks for coming with us, and we'll see you on the next one.
And behind us here he's looking.
And little Blackie says goodbye too. Cheers.
Wants another.
Thank you.